Home of the finest rims and tires at the best prices, Espino Tire and Wheel is the place for you. Our expert staff can make your car look like what you've been envisioning. If you're looking for a custom look or more ground clearance for your vehicle, you'll want to check out our inventory of custom wheels or lift, leveling, and drop kits. Known for being top of the line in everything we do, we strive to give you quality products and a level of customer service that simply can't be beat. With same-as-cash 6-month and 90-day financing available, you can rest assured knowing that your new tires or rims will fit your budget and your style. With 2 locations to better serve you at 7046 San Pedro Avenue in San Antonio and 2201 West US Highway 83 in McAllen, we look forward to earning your business and showing you why Espino Tire and Wheel has the best reputation in the industry. Stop by today or visit us online for more information at espinotireandwheel.com.